everyone. If you never subscribe to my channel, try and subscribe and remain blessed. Subscribe and like. God bless you for subscribing. God bless you and your family. Thank you for everything you people are doing for me. More blessing to your family, more blessing to you, to you, to you. Without you, I cannot be here. So today I bring a little short talk. Today I want to talk about our family in Africa. When someone travel, they will think that they are putting money outside the country on the street. You can pick the money. There is too much money there on the street. You just pick it and send for them. Sometimes they make many people that travel. They make them to go and do something they don't want to do. They will make many people that travel. They don't want to put hand in a bad thing. They will make them to put a hand in a bad thing. But what I want to tell you, my brother and my sister, let anyone don't make you to put hand for what you don't want to do. Please yourself first before you please anyone. Let someone don't make you to go and put hand or the job, something that you don't want to do. You want to please family, you want to please this one. This is why you want to go and do, because you're looking for documents. This is why you want to go and follow somebody you don't want to follow, or because you're looking for this. It's because of that your family is disturbing you. It's because of that you want to do something that you don't want to do. My dear, if anything happen to you like 1 second, just 1 second, those family you see them, they will live fine more than the way that time in your life. What I'm telling everybody, don't look because of family. My family, they are doing. You go and do something that you don't want to do. You don't want to enter. When anything happen, a little thing happen, or like death, you will see that family. They will still live fine. They will still live without you. They will be okay. More than the way you at the time that person is alive. You will see them. They will be fine. So don't praise someone. Praise yourself first before praising anybody. The race will they raise now. The run will they run now. Now for your head you go they run now. No be for anybody. The race, everybody with in race now for yourself. Now you go they run the race. Don't run for anyone, because if you run for anyone finish, tomorrow if anything happen, they go still talk bad. Even the ones that even help more than any of that, they will still talk bad against you. They will still talk many things against you. They will still say that you're not good. Some will say you're bad. Some will say you're good. No matter anything, praise them. People in Africa, if you praise them, buy even private jet for them, they will never satisfy. So make yourself happy. Don't live because of family. You don't want to be, because of family. You don't want to do this. Because of family, you don't want to do that. My dear, you have to be very, very careful for yourself. Be careful for anything you are doing. Be careful for your family. Be careful. Don't let your family to push you many places where you don't want to do, or something you don't want to do. They will push you to something you don't want to enter. They're very, very extra careful. You say you come in Europe, you're looking for documents. You say you look for documents genuinely. If you told you like somebody, or you see a white, you like that white, marry am natural, marry am, not about paper. Marry am direct, know that this one is my wife. If you want to marry am, no be say tomorrow if you marry am, you go say tomorrow na because of documents. Marry the woman natural, marry am. Take this one as this one is my wife. Not tomorrow you say I want to go Africa and go and look for another woman. I want to go to so place. I want to go and look for this one. I want to go so place. I cannot marry because of this document. I married that woman. My dear, all these things you people are doing, you're deceiving yourself. I'm telling you, you guys are even women. You're deceiving yourself. If you know that you don't want to follow that person, fine. If you want to do that one is your business. But what I'm telling you, please yourself before pleasing anyone. Let anybody know you call. They kill you, say, brother, send this one. Auntie, send this one. Brother, this one don't finish. Sister, this one don't finish. We need bag of rice. My dear, instead where you go there, they please yourself. They do yourself, make it do okay. Then they there, if you even reach Africa, even now, then they enjoy pass you where they you. Because number one, you don't get time. Two, because they find money to pay house rent. House rent, they know the whole credit for here. you must pay your house rent, you must pay for internet, you must pay everything, water, everything. Nobody go borrow you, but they no dey borrow money. They no dey borrow money for anybody. Na you go work hard for yourself. So you no go use that time dey throw away money dey send because some of them if you dey send for them, dem go dey less concerned. Dem go dey use am anyhow. My brother, my sister dey abroad, they go use am, they no care. They no know how e take suffer dey get the money. Wetin dem know na only to chop, behave. Even some brother, if you give themself, they go use am go dey carry their girlfriend dey while dey chop the money go finish. If you open business, everything go go. They think say they dey plot money for abroad, they dey plot money for obodo oyibo, they dey plot money for ground. Na for ground they dey pick the money. They no know say e no dey easy. So make everybody be wise. Oh, it's your girl, your sister, your love. If you never subscribe, subscribe for me. I love you all. God bless you. Love you, love you, love you, my brother and sister. Subscribe and like. God bless you guys.